Hey guys, I'm going to go over the single arm dumbbell hang power clean and jerk. So a lot in that name there, but it's an awesome movement regardless. It strengthens everything from the legs and the muscles, the hips, the low back, the shoulders, the core. And if you're not comfortable with the barbell yet, it's a great piece to sub out for, say, like a barbell hang power clean and jerk. So with this, you only need one dumbbell. And you bring the dumbbell to the hang position. I prefer it in between the legs. From here, what we'll do is we're going to send the hips back, keep the weight in our heels, and then we extend our legs and hips rapidly, catching the dumbbell like that on top of our shoulder in a partial squat. And then from here, we're going to dip the torso down and then drive the dumbbell straight up, receiving it in a partial squat before standing. So, at full speed, the rep will look like this. Okay. Unless otherwise stated, most of the time we tend to program these alternating arm as well. So, perform a couple on this side, and then switch over to the other side. Make sure when you complete this rep that you're standing all the way up rather than catching before returning down. And that right there is a single arm dumbbell hang power clean and jerk.